sing. Maybe it's the tree that they are sitting in. Maybe it's your hair in the wind. Maybe it's the love you share with your woman. All I know is the life you live won't come again. Oh, hold it close like a mother holds her children. And when you're feeling left alone, with your smiling eyes, but you're dancing in the snow, when you have nowhere to go, you know you're home. You know you're home. Maybe it's the stars in the night. Maybe it's the moon to bring the tides alive. Maybe it's the strings on your hand, only to create, not to control a man. But all I know is a life you live won't come again. Oh, hold it close like a mother holds her children. And when you're feeling left alone, with your smiling eyes, but you're dancing in the snow, and you have nowhere to go, you know you're home. You know you're home. You know you're home. I know I'm home, I know I'm home, I know. I know I'm home, I know I'm home, I know. Yeah, I know I'm home, I know I'm home, I know. I know I'm home, I know I'm home, I know.
That little red light is flashing on the left. So the other side, yeah, on the top left, there's a little red light flashing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's on.
Alright. I'm gonna film on the water.
Go for it.
Yeah.
And see if you can find that big huge fish I found.
Okay.
Like this.
I'm gonna go now.
Here's the backside of the Louisa. There we go. There's the starboard side of the Louisa.
Okay, go. Woohoo! There you go. Oh, the dog's following you.
Oh no.
We're gonna have the dog on the boat. That
is a big jump. Somehow we adopted a dog. Not our dog. Drinkies? Mummy and Daddy are over there. You just like followed us home, didn't you? She's like wondering what to do. Oh, I got myself into this pickle. She's looking at them and then looking. Hey Mitcho, we should take her back.
I had just popped it back up, turned around, and then his dog just almost took.
How are we going there, Lou?
Good,
Oh,
perfect.
there we go.
Oh, did we bring that Pepsi?
Well, it's going to be a short fire, but hey, it's better than nothing. At least we can say we did it, eh? What's up?
Hello.
How's it going?
There's Lou and David and Cozzy.
Go red, go red.
Are you ready?
Yep, flip it up.
Oh, little darling.
He's gone the wrong way.
Hey, sweetheart. Shall we put you in the water?
Just putting down near the edge.
I'll understand that he can just screw away.
No, there he goes. He's swimming. There he goes. Oh, there. Oh. Fly and be free. There he goes. Oh, I think we just saved.
Wait, Leah, put the.
Well, this crab has caught a turtle. Not many of them make it, do they? So many of them hatch. Oh. You think about the birds picking them
Oh, he's
off.
still alive.
Yeah, he's still alive. But he won't live if we interfere.
He's not letting go of it.
Oh, poor little sweetheart.
Dinner.
Turtle! No, it's there! Where? Oh, there's more of them! There's so many of them!
What sort of fish are they?
There was like 3 of them.
Yeah, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another
Yeah,
one.
there were like 4
There's heaps of them. Look at them all. Look at them all.
Oh, we just came back too soon.
There's heaps of them.
Where is it? Where is it? There's like, I got the GoPro.
There's two. One there, one there.
Yeah, there's like 8
Oh,
of them.
there's
There's
turtles.
a bunch of them. I saw
Tiny, tiny turtles.
Oh,
Look.
there's two over there. No, two over there.
Oh my god.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that would be a fish.
Oh,
That's a fish.
I think he did. I think you guys want to go deep.
Oh, that's my foot and a turtle. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it was. Just turtles.
Oh, look at them. Look at them. Gorgeous.
I like they're flying, aren't they?
You gotta wait for the crabs, you lucky bugger.
Fish just locked at your foot.
Yeah, well, the fish are probably going to eat the bloody things. He just ran into the rope. Look at the little orange stripe on his back. Yeah, no, it's amazing. No. No, go together. Go together. Go together. It will look really good.
You might want to move out of the way.
Can't you jump over me?
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. painting conditions. It's like painting on a roller coaster.
It's automatic painting. You just hold the brush, you wait for the boat to move. Automatic painting. Even I could do that.
So it looks a bit crap at the moment. I
My
might.
11-year-old could do that.
Yeah,
I'm more than
You'll
11.
keep.
Okay.
So that was the one. There's one before that you're leaving to dry out, isn't it?
Oh, that's just
That's
me
just-
playing with colours.
Oh,
Oh, that's
okay.
beautiful.
Yeah.
That's really
I
nice.
love that. Oh man, gee, that looks just like him. That's really good.
After he got hit by a car.
I saw that. I saw that last time I was on the.
That's my modern approach to the guy that went past on the sailboat. Yes. Anyway,
Well, we'll update you on the finished product, won't we, Lou?
maybe. Maybe. We'll
Putting
spread
the
it out.
F back into R.
Cheers! Cheers, baby. Well, the mama's nice. No crayfish, but
Thank you, Mum.
thanks, Mum.
It's a brand new day, and I'm on my way to blue skies and sunny days. Time moves so fast, but I won't let this pass. So let's make these moments, make these moments last. You and I can fly so high, leave all of our worries far behind. And when we reach the sun and know that we've won, then we'll make these moments, make these moments last. Time moves so fast, but I won't let this pass. So let's make these moments, make these moments last.
We're marooned on Round Island. There goes Mitcho. It's a shell collector's paradise. All broken coral and shells. Oh, look at that one. There's a carry there, Oscar. Look at that one.
Sure.
Oh, pretty. Nice. What's that?
Oh,
That'd make a good necklace, that one. Good pair. Beautiful seabirds everywhere. This is just a stunning place, so quiet. Massive storm approaching. Oh, and we've got company.
Harder. Go and look at the sail. That's it?
That's good. So now you got to try and get another wrap on it without getting your fingers caught.
How?
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. And now the next wrap goes over that thing and then through that slot. Yeah, and then pull it tight. And then you check the wind. And the wind, look at where the wind is. The wind's really high, so you go to which means you've got to have the sails tight. So then you look at your sail, and that's, if you look at the sail, see it's all flapping around?
Yep.
It means it's too loose. So now you've got to get the handle, which is just behind David's chair.
Behind your chair. That's it. Oh, just grab that bin. I don't know why we leave it there. That's stupid. Yep.
Good. That's it. Yeah, that's pretty tight. And then what you do then is have a quick glance up the sail and see if it's flapping. Not the light. Yeah. No, so that's good. It's got, so it's right. Yeah. Oh, you're looking at my pants.
Teenagers.
Teenage. He's not a teenager.
Hear me. He's not far off.
2 years. We're at Serrurier Island. Coming in to join Nick and Julia. Who's on that for the night. Stunning spot with quick. Sky is stunning. Oh, I love this spot with all the birds. Guys, it's raining. It's just stunning. Actually, I'd like this as a still shot. Pretty spot. Loads of turtle action here. Good spot. Turtle tracks.
Okay, we just
Alright. Here we are.
Ladylike.
Using my noodle.
This is Lou's leap.
Sliding.
Oh, look at that. Wow. That is some specky sky. How lucky do I feel back on Ocean Lady after the news I got recently. I am so honoured, and it's taken a couple of days to sink in really, but here we are, and I am swimming with one of my besties and my SIL to be soon, hopefully. Yeah, sister-in-law. And we're going here. Look at that. Look at all the turtle tracks.
Maybe it's the stars in the night. Maybe it's the moon to bring the tides alive.
This is life, hey? This is living. Absolutely.
But all I know is a life you live won't come again. Oh, hold it close like a mother holds her children. And when you're feeling left alone, with your smiling eyes, but you're dancing in the snow, and you have nowhere to go.
Well, it seems like I've made a bit of a miscalculation with the tides overnight, and I did not quite leave enough rope on our tender. I'm not sure again how to get us out of this mess, but yeah, there's the tender sitting on its side, and water is coming in the back as the tides slowly start to come back up again now.